What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, like the thumbnail shows, I wanted to show you the wall charger that we got installed for the Tesla. This is, I believe, is a 3rd gen charger. It has a Wi-Fi connection to manage a couple of things, and then other than that, it's just like the other chargers that you got on every other supercharger you go to, with the same little button and everything that you press to open the door on your Tesla. We just got the electrician, got it done. We got all the piping to the side of the house, to the breaker box. There is videos on what's it called? There's a few videos on YouTube. Actually, there's quite a few videos on YouTube how to install this yourself. The problem is that when you run a business out of the house like we do, we run a daycare out of this house. You gotta have a certified electrician come and do stuff like this. But other than that, simple installation. If you want to tackle this yourself at home, and it's simple, there's quite a few videos on YouTube. I was down to do it myself, but again, when you run a business out of the house, you gotta do things the legit way. For those of you on Instagram that message me and wonder, hey, do you sell the H2? No. The video I posted yesterday, it's still a good video. It's not an old video. You got the H2 kicking and screaming right there, and the Model Y. So just wanted to show you what the charger looked like after it was all installed. Tesla does send instructions if you want to do it yourself. Tesla will send you on the box instructions on how to connect all the cables and all that good stuff. This one here, I believe I got a 50 amp breaker on the box. You can do a 60 amp is the one recommended. This one here tops out around 42 miles per hour. So if you want to do daily charges after work, this is perfect. I'll recommend it. Like many other videos on YouTube say, this guy here, we were going to a supercharger because we just got this installed. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably use this at night to top it off. But if we're going on a long trip or whatever, we're probably gonna let it sit till maybe, I don't know, 40-30% charge. And then we'll go ahead and use the supercharger, which, by the way, they just opened another one yesterday about 3 miles from us. So now we have 2 options. The one that we had before only had 8 stalls. There was other 8 stalls that were disabled. This one that they just opened 2 days ago got 16 stalls. So now we have options. But anyways, it's always nice to have the charger on the house, and I fully recommend it. If you don't want to spend the money on this is $500. The installation, the electrician that we got gave us a deal. Every other place that I called, they were quoting us anywhere from $700 to $800 to $850 to do the full installation. This guy here gave us a deal, so we actually paid $650 for the installation. Again, if you don't run a business out of the house and you don't care, you own the house, you can do this installation yourself. It's really simple. If you're not afraid to toggle with electricity or whatever. But I fully recommend it over the other plug, which is the lesser one, which is, I think it's called a NEMA plug, but that doesn't charge as fast as this one. The difference for some of you might not be a deal breaker. For us, you want to make sure you get maxed out, and this one does that. It's like 42 miles per hour. So even a full charge, you can manage a full charge overnight, and it's totally worth it. But again, if you want to spend less money, you can get what the other one's called. I believe it's called a NEMA plug, that looks like the one on your washer and dryer. That charges slower, but it's a lot better than the stock one that you plug to the 110. So again, just want to show you what that looked like. We'll see you guys in the next video.